Let's start now. Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada Sakshat Krutam Dayanandam Paramarthasvarupinam Tattvajnana Prashastaram Pranatosmi Param Padam Vagartha Vivasampraktau Vagartha Pratipattaye Jagatah Pitarau Vande Parvati Parameshwarau Enaksharasamamnayam Adhigamya Maheshwarat Kritsnam Vyakaranam Proktam Tasmai Paninaye Namaha Vakyakaram Vararuchim Bhashyakaram Patanjalim Paninim Sutrakarancha Pranatosmi Munitrayam Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. We know that consonants are classified into Varga-Vyanjanani, Antastaha, Ushpanaha. And Varga-Vyanjanani, among that we saw what are aspirate and non-aspirate, and what are hard consonants and soft consonants. The 25 class consonants, among them, which are Alpa Prana and which are Mahaprana and which are Kathora Vyanjanani and which are Mridu Vyanjanani. That is 1, 3, 5. They are Alpa Pranaha. 2 and 4 are Mahapranaha. And 1 and 2 are Kathora Vyanjanani. 3, 4, 5 are Mridu Vyanjanani. And among the semi-vowels, all are Mridu Vyanjanani and they are Alpa Pranaha. They are Alpa Pranaha. And among us, sibilants, the first 3, Sha, Sha, Sa, are Kathora Vyanjanani and Mahapranaha. The last sibilant, Ha, is Mridu Vyanjanani and Mridu Vyanjanam and Mahapranaha. These things we have seen. After this, we saw how these consonants without vowel, they look. Without vowels, we'll have a stroke at the bottom, another stroke. So they are pure consonants. Pure consonants cannot be pronounced. Therefore, for the sake of pronunciation, what do? We add the vowel A. Therefore, Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Nga, and all possible. And one more thing I introduce, that is the pure consonant is denoted by adding the suffix Kara. So Kakara denotes a pure consonant, that is the first letter of the Kavarga. Chakara when you say denotes the first letter of the Chavarga. Similarly, by adding the suffix, the Kara, you can refer to the pure consonant. It is only for the sake of addressing, representing the consonant. It is not the pronunciation. It is to it represents the pure consonant. That is kara suffix. Kakara, chakara, pakara, makara. It refers to the pure consonant we saw. Then, same way, since we added the vowel all the other vowels also can be added to the consonant. And each vowel will have a special sign. When you add to the consonant, each vowel will assume a special sign, and that is called vowel signs, Gunitaksharani. In Sanskritam, we call it as Gunitaksharani, that is the vowel sign. The consonant and the vowels, when they are added, the vowel assume a special sign that is called a vowel sign. They are called Gunitaksharani in Sanskritam. So therefore, the resultant will be the combination of the consonant plus the vowel sign, Gunitaksharani, corresponding to the vowel. And we saw what are the special signs. The special signs are, you can see, we saw that, how it looks, that we have seen. So these are the special signs of the vowels. Among them, we not included the lu, because lu is not used much, therefore it is discounted from the list. So therefore, now you can add all the vowels to the consonants, and the resultant will be what? It will look like this. Taking, for example, the letter kakara. Kakara plus a is ka. Kakara plus a is ka. Therefore, we get ka, ka, ki, ki, ku, ku, then kr, kr, ke, kai, ko, kau, kam, kaha. So to the letter kakara, we added the vowels and the resultant vowel combination, consonant vowel combination is kaka, kiki, etc. The same way to all the consonants we can add. Taking kavarga first, we saw what will be the combination. How will be the combination? Looking those and the pronunciation also. So all the form as well as the pronunciation we studied in the last class. So kavarga with vowels and chavarga with the vowels. All these things we are seeing. All the varga vyanjanani as well as semi-vowels, sibilants. So those with vowels, the form and the pronunciation we are seeing. So therefore, skipping these slides that we have seen. So I hope you would have practiced all these combinations. To some extent, at least you would have practiced, because I taught everything in one go. So now if I give any combination, any letter, if I show you, I think you will be able to read. So that is what we are going to do today. So please type your name in the chat box. Only your name, no other message. Please type only your name in the chat box. Others can keep the mic in mute. So now you are going to read. You are going to read. So type your name. The person whom I call, read. Oh, okay. Okay. So now the consonant with the vowel a, ka, kha, ga, gha, nga, cha, cha, jha, jha, nga, ta, ta, dha, dha, na is there. So now some simple words are given. We are going to see now simple words are given with this the combination. Combination with what? Combination with the vowel a. So you will see now. So the consonants with the vowel a combination. With that combination, I'll give some words which you will read. So the first person, Girijaji, you can.
Yes, Guruji. Ajna.
You can.
Alam.
First, one by one, in this, I'll tell you the order. Yep. When I ask you to read, you read. That's right. So practice
Okay.
one,
Okay.
you can read in the line wise. Okay. The first word you can read. The first line alone you read.
Ajaha.
The next person will read the next line. So after you read the first line, you stop. Okay. And when I speak also, you can
Ajaha.
hold.
Sir.
You can read when I ask you to read, because when I speak and you also speak, there will be confusion. So there is time, some time lag will be there.
Yep.
So when I complete, then you read. Okay. So now this is the practice. So here some words are given. That words are nothing but the consonant with the vowel and only vowels. Those different combinations, words are given. The words have got meanings. The meanings are not important now. Now it is only for reading. So see whether you can read. With what we have learned so far in 7 or 8 classes, you would be able to read. Okay. Yes. Now we can read. The first word.
Ajaha.
Ajaha. The first letter is A, followed by Jaha, Ajaha. Right? Okay. Second word.
Ajagaraha.
Good. Any difficulty in reading? No.
No.
Okay. The third one.
Adaha.
Good. Adaha.
Sorry. Adhaha.
Okay. Next one. Fourth.
Adharaha.
Adharaha. Adharaha. Adharaha. Right?
Adharaha.
Okay. Then the next person, Shiva Subramaniam. You can read the second line.
Yeah.
You can mute Girijaji. After
Alam.
you finish reading, you can.
Yeah.
Yes.
Alam.
Alam. It's good. A, La, and Makara is that lam. Alam. Okay.
So next, is it in?
What? Again? Read again.
In. Well, I'm new to this alphabets. Anyhow, is it in or first
E,
letter E? I know.
first letter E. What is the second vowel? Sorry, it's a consonant. Va is there. It is va. Va semi-vowel.
Okay.
Okay, please practice.
Okay.
I send you the PDF
Yeah.
file.
Yeah. Sure.
So,
Yeah. I've taken the printout. Yeah.
so the next class, I mean, it will each and every class will keep on building now. Building.
Yeah.
More and
Sure.
more topics. So they have to. You should get ready to read now.
Okay.
Okay, so E and Va, that is Va. Iva. Should be able to recognize
Eva.
the letters. Recognize the form. The form you should recognize the sound. The sound you should recognize the form. The form
Okay.
also with both way. So when
Okay.
suppose when I give some dictation, some simple words, you should be able to write it. Hearing the sound, whether it is Alpa Prana or Maha Prana, that comes only with practice. So write as many times as possible. Eva, Eva. Okay. The next word.
Iha.
Yeah, it's yeah. Good. Next one.
Then what is that? I don't know. I could see E.
And the next letter is it's a sibilant. Shaha.
Yeah. Okay.
Shaha.
Ishaha.
Ishaha.
Isha.
Ishaha.
Okay.
Okay. Ishaha.
Ishaha.
Yeah. Okay. The next person. Nageshwarji. The third line.
Guruji. Udaram.
Good. Udaram.
Ekam.
Yeah.
Etat.
Good.
Eva.
Yeah. Good. Next person. After you finish reading, you can mute your mic. Next person will read. Priyaji, you can read. Fourth line. Priya ji.
एवं कः कटः कमलं.
Good. Next person. Kanaka ji. You can read. Others can keep the mic in mute. Kanaka is there? Are you there? Daily use 01. It's your the name given in the participant list. Your mic is in mute. Kanaka ji, are you there? Yes? No? Okay. Let us skip then. Next person. Natraj. Next person can read. Natraj is there?
Yes. Hello. Okay.
Yeah. Yes, you can read.
Hello.
Yeah.
Evam.
Evam, it is read. The next line.
Oh, that one. Karaha.
Karaha. There is some noise.
Gaganam.
Background noise is there, and you also, if you don't shake the speaker headphone, so that also create noise. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Read now.
Gaganam.
Good.
Gaganam.
Yeah.
Gataha.
Ghataha.
Gataha.
Ghataha. Ghataha.
Gataha.
Read again.
Chat. Gataha.
Read as a word, not as an individual. Ghataha. Say it properly.
Okay.
Ghataha.
Gataha.
Okay, listen to me. Ghata. No, listen to me. Ghataha. Repeat.
Gataha.
Don't strain too much. It's Ghataha.
Okay. Gataha.
Okay, some we have to define. Okay, the next word.
Chataha. Chatakaha.
Chatakaha. Right? Oh.
Chatakaha.
Chatakaha. Oh, okay. Natraj is it right? Okay. Sorry. This you have a foreign accent, right?
Yeah. I'm not.
Okay. Fine. By seeing the
Indian
name,
national.
Okay. Yeah. So, sorry.
It's my spiritual name. Okay.
Yeah, I understand. I remember your face now from the WhatsApp. Okay. Ghataha, Chatakaha. So practice a little, it will come. Okay. Next person. Manjiri ji, you can do the next line.
Yeah, Ji Guruji. It is Jagat.
No, that you read, you follow the line, everybody, please. The next line you should be able to know which one you are going to read. Number sixth line.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Chamasaha.
Good.
Jagat. Janaha.
Good.
And Janakaha.
Janaha and Janakaha. Yeah. Then the next person now. Santanam and Nalini. If both of them are
Santanam
there,
and Nalini.
you can read
Santanam and Nalini both are here.
Yeah, okay.
Santanam will read first.
Yeah.
Japaha.
Good. Yeah.
Jalam. Tataha. Tamaha.
Good. Then Nalini ji can read the next line.
Alam. Dalam. Dasha. Nakaha. Good.
Next person, Shruti Kirti.
Nakaha.
Shruti, next person can read. Shruti. The last one.
Nagaram.
Yeah.
Namaha. Namaha. Nayanam. Navamaha.
Navamaha. Is it difficult?
No, Guruji.
So from all the words in this slide, they are simple, right? It has got, if you see, it has got the consonant vowel combination. Only a will be there. Mainly a will be there. Other than a, you will not find. Karaha, Gaganam, Jagat, any word you take, the consonant with the vowel alone. Okay. Now the next slide. Oh, sorry. Okay, the next person, Shweta ji, you can read the first line.
Okay. Pataha, padakam, padam, payaha, khalam.
Kalam, good. Next person, and second line.
Namaskar. Bakah,
Okay.
Balam,
Yeah.
Makarah,
Yes.
Bhaya,
Bhaya, good.
Manaha.
Manaha. Okay, next person.
Manaha.
Yeah, correct. Next person, Shivaramakrishna ji. You can read the third line.
Yeah. Mashakaha, Mahat, Yashaha, Rajakaha, Rataha.
Rataha, good. Yeah, good. Next person now, Meera. You can read the fourth line. Hello? Can you read the fourth line? Can you hear me? Okay.
I think she left, sir.
She's there. She's there, but anyway, next person, Lata V. Babu. You can read. The next line. Lata Babu, are you there? See, you can check the chat box. Your name, you know where it appears. So when the person finishes reading, one person, next person can read immediately. Okay, Lata Babu, also not there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm calling your name.
Lavanam.
Please be present, right? Yeah, read.
Lavanam.
Yeah. Yes, read.
Vadanam.
Please. Yeah. See, when you are in the class, be in the class.
Lavanam.
Don't go here and there. Sit in front of the laptop. So I'm calling your name. Right? Yeah. Continue reading.
Lavanam.
Okay.
Vadanam.
Okay.
Vadaha. Vanam. Vamanam.
Okay. The next person. Chinni Krishna. You can read.
Are you hear me, sir?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yes.
Shataha.
No, that
Shatam.
is the fifth line.
Charam.
Follow the line.
Shalabha.
Sir, wait a minute. Fifth line, okay?
Okay. Sorry, sir. Sorry. Yes, sir. Vayas, Varaha, Varataha, Valayam, Shakataha.
Okay. Next person. Pradeep Kumar.
Shataha, Shatam, Sharam, Shalabaha, Sheshaha.
Good. So please see your chat box. Your name appears in an order. All of you can see the same. The name will be in the same order. So if one person finishes reading, you can read, right? Now, from the next line onwards, each person will read 2 lines, starting from Girijaji. Yeah. You can unmute your mic, Girijaji. Your turn. You can read.
Yeah. Shataha, Shatam,
That is over.
Sharam.
Just now we read, no,
Shat.
somebody read. You are reading the same thing again.
Yes. Yeah. Right. Shat, Sakalaha, Samayaha, Halam, Nava.
Next line also you read.
Next line.
Yeah.
Padam, Yam, Analaha, Ataha, Vayam.
Next line also you read.
Bhavataha, Yat, Ekam, Avadat, Mrutaha.
Good. Now the next person.
Guruji, excuse me.
Yes.
Uh, uh, I don't know. I missed to type my name in the chat box. I am Manjula.
You can type your name now.
No.
It's not difficult. You will find in the chat box.
I can't.
You can type your name.
Okay.
Okay. Otherwise, I'll call your name.
It's already appearing, Manjula. Your name is appearing after Pradeep.
Okay.
Yeah, it is there. Manjula and Mekha. Okay. I think they type now. Anyway, the turn will come. I'll call you.
Yes, Guruji.
Yeah. Don't worry.
Okay, Guruji. Thank you.
Now the next person after Girijaji, you can read. Next person, you know. You see that?
Yes. Siva Subramanian here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Please read.
Is it? So this is the first row, right?
First, 1, 2, 3. 3 rows you can read.
First row I have to read now.
First 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. 3 rows you can read.
Very difficult. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. 1 second. So.
Yes.
Yeah. Tapaha.
Good.
And so I take time to
recognize. Okay.
So
practice. Okay. Practice is important. Daily you spend 10 to 15 minutes minimum. 10 to 15 minutes till you get familiar with the letters.
Letters, yeah. That is why, in fact,
only one class.
I have doubt that.
So you have only one class a week. So
yeah.
You have to go. You have to move forward, right? So practice. Spend 15, not more than that. 15 to 20 minutes.
I'll do it. Yeah, definitely.
Yes. The next word you can read.
Next word is.
The first one is a vowel A.
Yeah.
And followed by.
Etat.
That's it. Etat.
Okay.
Etat. Good.
And,
next one.
And is it Varaha? Or?
Good. Varaha. That's right. That's correct. Varaha.
So then comes it is Vachanam.
Good. Vachanam. Read letter by letter. You can. Vachanam. Vachanam. Then.
Vachanam.
Then what?
This one is. It is Bu.
Pu. It is not Bu.
Bunaha.
It is Pu, not Bu.
Okay.
Pu. First letter of the cover.
Punaha.
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 Yeah, your reading is good, but you have to practice. It takes some time. The time has to be reduced. Nothing else. The second line.
I recognize quick.
Yeah, second line you can read. So that is second letter. First letter is Ra.
Ra, I know.
Ra, Ja.
Rajaha. Rajakaha.
Rajakaha. Okay. Next word, simple.
And this is Kaha.
Kaha. Kaha means who. I mean the meaning. Okay.
Okay.
Then the next word.
Okay. Next word is
Already you read, I think, Sha was, okay, somebody read. Okay, Sha is the first letter, sibilant. Sha, then the semi-vowel.
Sha.
Sha, Ya.
Shayanam.
Good, Shayanam. Okay.
Shayanam.
The next one.
Vaha.
Vagaha. Vagaha. Yeah. Next one.
Next one is Gha, I know.
Gu. It is Gu.
Gu.
With the vowel sign, it is Gu. And Na. Murdanya, cerebral.
Gunaha.
Gunaha.
Gunaha. Gunaha.
Okay. So please practice. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Next class you should be able to read with a little less time and gap. Okay. Next person. Next person can read the next 3 lines.
Yes. Satam, Gataha, Bahavaha.
Good.
Bharataha.
Yes.
Sakalaha. Sakalaha.
Sakalaha. That is 1 minute. Sakalaha, Shakalaha. Both are different. So meanings are also different. Sakala is different. Shakala is different. Sakala is everything. Shakala is parts. So if you change the pronunciation, the meaning will change. Sakalaha, the first one, that is the 3rd line, last word is Sakalaha. 4th line, first word is Shakalaha. Okay.
Shakalaha.
Yes. Continue.
Shakalaha, Avagataha, Dasa, Upavavam.
Okay, it should be Upavanam. It's a mistake. Upavanam, it must be. It's a typo. Okay.
Upavanam.
Upavanam means garden. Okay. Then, Katham. Okay.
Karanam.
Good.
Sasakaha.
Okay.
Dhanam. Apatat.
Apatat. Good.
Avataranam.
Avataranam. Good. Avataranam. Right. Next person now. Can read the next 4 are there. Next person. Who is the next person?
Can you tell? I can't see from my chat box.
Okay, next person is Priyaji. Priyaji, are you there? Please check the chat box. Every one of you, you know where you are. The chat box. You see your name and you can read. Get prepared to read. I don't have to call your name. Please have your chat box open. Follow the names, right? Priyaji.
Yes.
So your name appears after Nageshwar ji. So when he finishes, you can keep your mic and unmute and read. Yes.
Okay. Kanaha.
Yeah.
Kanaha.
Again, read again the word.
Layam.
No, read again the word. First word.
Kanaha.
It is not Kanaha. It is
Ganaha.
Ganaha. Ganaha. Ganaha means Ganaha. It's a group. Ganaha means group.
Ganaha.
Ganana tva ganapatihum. We chant, right? That Ganapati. That Gana. Okay. Yeah. Next word.
Okay. Ganaha. Layam. Lavanam. Baka.
Bha is correct. And the next.
Baga.
Not baga.
Baga.
Bhaga. Bhaga. Right?
Baga.
It is not ba. It is bha. Short vowel. Is there, right? Bhaga.
Okay. Baga.
Bhaga. Not baga. When you say ba, you are saying you are stretching the letter a. You are making it dirgha, long. Is it a long vowel there?
No.
Then bhaga. Bhaga. Say again.
Baga. Baga.
Bhaga. Bhagavan, we say the same thing. Bhagavan, Bhagavati, Bhaga. Bhaga means the six.
Bhaga.
The word Bhagavan is derived from the word Bhaga. Bhaga means the one who has a sixfold qualities. That is called Bhaga. Anyway, okay. Then the next word.
Ushan. Ushanam.
Ushan, not Ushanam. Ushan.
Ushan. Ushan.
Okay.
Ushan.
Yeah. In Kathopanishad,
Ada.
it comes Ushan Havai Vajashvasaha. That is how it starts also. Ushan, living, is a meaning.
Ushan. Mhm.
Okay.
Ada.
Not Ada. Then what is the next
Ada.
letter? Atha.
Atha. Tha.
Atha.
Atha.
Okay.
Atha.
Then
Madam.
not Madam.
Madam.
It is Matam. Madam is different.
Matam.
Madam is different. Don't.
Okay.
Change this. Madam means Mada Matsarya. Mada is different. Mada is one of the Shatripu, one of the 6 qualities which is not desirable. Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsarya. Mada is that Mada, intoxication Mada, right? That is the Mada. Matam is different. Matam is opinion. Matam, Madam. If you change the pronunciation, the meaning will change. Right?
Okay. Matam.
Okay.
Mataha.
Not Mataha. Madaha. Here, the. It is not the. Madaha means intoxicated. Madaha.
Mataha.
Then?
Jagat. Jagat.
Jagat. Okay.
Jagat. Devaha.
Devaha. Right. Next line. Continue.
Taha.
Daha.
Daha. Daha.
You have the problem of this ta and da, I think.
Yeah.
Do you speak Tamil?
Yes, I do.
Okay. I understand. It is the, it is, I also Tamil only, but I know what generally what mistake we do. So that's it's not a problem. It comes because we don't have, only one letter is there. Therefore, we manage with one ta. But in Sanskrit, we have 4 are there. Okay, so it is daha, not taha. Right? It is daha.
Daha.
Okay, next word.
Idam.
Good. Next word.
Ashaka.
It is not it is not it is
Ashakam.
It is not it is
Ashakam.
Ashakam. Good.
Ashakam.
Okay.
Yashaha.
Good.
Mahat.
Good. The next line, next person.
Apat.
You want to read? Okay, can finish that also. Read.
Okay. Apatat.
Okay.
Avagamanam.
Avagamanam. Good. You read letter by letter in the beginning. Va, ga, ma, nam. Avagamanam. Say it together. Avagamanam. Understanding. That is the meaning. Avagamanam.
Avagamanam.
Okay. Next word.
Patanam.
Good.
Patanam.
Yeah. Next word.
Eka shatam.
Good.
Eka shatam.
100. Eka shatam. Okay. Next word.
Param.
Parama. Not param. It is not
paramam.
Parama. If it is param, what will
Parama.
What will be the last letter? How it will look?
The nether.
Very good. The nether stroke will be
There
there.
be a nether. Nether.
Yes. Yeah.
That's it.
That is not there. Therefore, it is parama. Right?
Or a dot.
Yeah. At the top is anuswara. You're right. Okay. Next person.
Anuswara.
Yeah. Next person. Kanakaji. You can unmute your mic and get ready. The next set of words you will find with the vowel a. A will be there. Long a will be there. So ka, kha, ga, gha, nga. So all these forms. That is the consonant with the vowel a. So those combination, the words having those combinations will be there. So the next person, Kanakaji, can unmute your mic. Oh, I think she has some problem. The next person can read. You can skip there. The next person to Kanaka, who is the Natraj. You can read.
Okay.
If you are comfortable, you can read 3 lines.
Yeah. Okay. Alayaha.
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 A, it is la. Alayaha.
Alayaha.
Yes, good.
Okay. Asanam.
Good.
Oh, sorry, 1 second.
The third.
Katha.
Again?
Katha.
Katha. Good.
Katha.
Yeah. Okay.
Kakaha.
Good.
Kakaha.
Yes, right. Next line.
Next line. Kalaha.
Good.
Chataha.
Okay.
Chaya.
Good.
Janaha.
Again. Read again.
Janaha.
Ja. And what is the next letter?
Naha.
Naha.
Naha. Naha.
Naha.
Naha.
Janaha.
Okay. Janaha.
Janaha. Yeah, it is a with visarga. So therefore, aha, janaha. Right? Okay. Next line.
Yeah. Jaya.
Good. Jaya. Okay.
Tada. Tada. Kaha. Tada. Kaha.
Tadagaha.
Tadagaha.
Tadagaha. Tadagaha. Good. Pond.
Tadagaha.
Okay.
Tara.
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 Yeah.
Okay.
Next one.
Danam. Danam.
Good.
Danam.
Yes, right. Okay. The next person now. Okay. Manjari.
Yes, sir. Lalatam. Nana. Nayakah. Patah. Pathah. Bhagavan. Bhasha. Mata. Mala. Vadavah.
Yadavah.
Rama.
Okay. Yadavah. It is not.
Yadavah.
Yeah.
Yadavah. Rama. Ramah.
Continue. The last line also. Please read the last line also.
Continue the next.
Yeah.
Lata.
Okay.
Nagarajah. Manita. Raghavah.
Ra again.
Raghavah.
Raghavah. Good. Okay. Now the next person. Santanam and
Is Santanam first?
Yeah. Now you will find the letters with this combination. What is the vowel here? E. Short vowel E will be there. So ki, gi, ityadi. So these letters you will find in the next set of words. You can read. Santanamji, you can read all the letters in this slide.
Atiti.
Read again.
Atiti.
Again.
Atika.
No, I didn't hear. No, I didn't hear properly the first word again.
Atiti.
And Visarga is there.
Can
Visarga.
Atiti.
Okay, the colon is there. Visarga is there. That should be pronounced, right?
Atitihi. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Atitihi.
See, you cannot drop the Visarga. Visarga is in part of the word. So,
Forgot.
Atitihi.
Atitihi.
Okay.
Adhika.
Adhika.
Kavihi.
Okay.
Girihi. Shira.
Continue. Yes.
Next line.
Yeah.
Timir.
Not Timir. Read again.
Timira.
Good. Timira.
Timira.
That's the difference between Hindi and Sanskritam. In Hindi, we cut the last vowel. But here, no, as it is written. Right? Okay. Continue.
Nibing.
Again, what is it?
Ni, bi, the last letter. And
It's not na.
Nibina.
Not nibi. It's not nga. It is nga. What is the difference between nga and da? What's the difference? Dot. Dot is not
dot.
here. Dot is not here. So therefore,
Nibida.
nibida. Good.
Nibida. Dinam.
Yes.
Nimisham.
Yes. Good.
Niyatihi.
Yeah. Right. Continue.
Matihi.
Yes.
Rasika. Lipi. Vivita. Shila. And I'm passing it in.
Yeah.
I'll read the last one also.
Yes. Please read.
Shivaha.
Good.
Sisiraha. Malilaha. Malilam.
It is Salilam.
Salilam.
Hmm.
Salilam.
Narendra
Harihi.
correcting you. Okay. Hmm.
Himalayaha.
Good. Yeah. Now.
I'm done.
Yes. Next person can read. So the next set of words will have the long vowel E will be there. Right? Ki, chi, ti, ti. So you can read all the letters in the screen.
Jivanam. Deepaha. Nadi. Navinaha. Neeli. Meenam.
So parasparam bhavayantaha.
Bijaha. Huh?
No, Santanamji helping you and you helping Santanam. So parasparam bhavayantaha is it. Okay. Mutual help.
Bijaha.
Okay.
Bhimaha.
Good.
Neenaha. Lahari. Leela. Veeraha. Shariram. Sheelaha. Samipaha.
Good. So now the next word, next person will read. Shruti, you can read all the words on the screen. Shruti, are you there?
Kiritaha. Yeah, Guruji. Kiritaha.
Your name I don't see in the
Nalini.
Just a minute. Oh, yes, it is there. Okay, yeah, read, please.
Yeah. Kiritaha. Nalini. Nitihi. Pipilaha. भीतिः विपरीतः विभीषणः विषादः वीचि.
Good. Next person. Shweta ji can read.
I'm here.
So next, here you will find the consonant with the vowel U. Ku, ku, gu, ityadi. Whatever you can read. You can read all the letters.
Okay. Kumudah, Kuru, Kusumam, Gunah, Guruhu, Bhujah, Chaturah, Tumulam, Taruhu, Dukham, Bahuhu, Mukutam,
Makutam.
Madhu, Marut, Mukulam, Makutam.
Read slowly,
Madhu,
one by one. Okay, others also can follow.
Okay.
So even when they corrected, by the time I corrected, you went to the fourth word. It is read. It is Mukutam. It is Makutam. That is the third line, last word.
Yeah. Makutam, Madhu, Marut, Mukulam, Yuyudhanah, Raghu, Vasuhu.
Again.
Shubh, Vasuhu.
Before that.
Raghuhu.
Good.
Vasuhu, Shubham, Sukham.
Yes. Next person. The set of words will come with a long vowel oo. So ku, chu, tu. You can read all the words. You can read. Anand, are you there?
Yes. Apupah, Gudam.
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 Because it's all long vowel oo is there, right?
Okay.
Apupaha, Gudam.
Apupa, Gudam, Chamoha.
Not ha, chamuhu.
Chamuhu.
Remember in the beginning itself I told Visarga will take the sound of the vowel. Oo is there. Therefore, oohu, chamuhu. Right?
Chamuhu, Jimutaha, Jimutaha.
Correct.
Duraha, Dhumaha.
Dhumaha.
Mula. Ghumaha.
Not gu, it is dhu.
Is it right?
It is dhu, not gu. Dhumaha.
Sorry. Dhu. Okay.
It is dha, not
Dhumaha.
dha.
Okay. Dhumaha. Moolam. Mushakaha. Rupam. Vadhu. Sarayu.
Not sarayu. Again.
Sarayu.
Again, it's wrong. Again.
Sarayu.
Not. Okay, read letter by letter.
Sarayu.
Sa, after that.
Sara. Ra. Sara.
Oh, okay.
You.
Read together.
Sarayu.
You're reading sa, ra, you, but together you're reading sarayu. How is it agam? How it is ra? You understand? Yes or no?
Okay.
So what is that? Read again.
Can I?
See, that what are the individual letters in the word?
I'm just a bit confused here.
No confusion. Simple. You're reading it correctly, but one mistake is only one mistake. Sa, ra, you. You say it together.
Okay.
You say it together.
Sarayu.
Why you are saying Sarayu? Where is A is there?
Sarayu.
Listen to me again. Sa, Ra, you. Is it ya, Ra or Ra? Short or long?
Sarayu.
Is it a short?
Sarayu.
Okay, you answer my question. It's Ra, is it a short one or a long one?
It's a short one.
Then why do you say Ra? You are stretching it, right?
Okay.
That's a mistake.
Yeah, sorry.
Sa, Ra, you. You are reading as a Ra, but together you are making it as a long one. Why?
Oh, yeah.
Now read again.
It's my mistake.
Read again.
Sarayu.
Sarayu. Sarayu is a nadi. It's a river. On the bank, the Mithila kingdom was there, right? Sarayu nadi. Sarayu.
Sarayu.
Okay.
Pashu.
Good.
Kutuhalam.
Ku is short. Tu is long. Ku. Tu. Ha. Lam.
Kutuhalam.
Read together now.
Is it right?
Read again.
Kutuhalam.
Good. Kutuhalam. You have to read it properly. Kutuhalam.
Okay.
It is not Kutuhalam.
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 Okay.
Is it right?
Yeah, right.
Sunuhu.
Not Sunu. Again. It is Su. Okay. Listen to me. Let me speak. Su.
No.
Okay. If both of us talk, then we won't understand anything. So.
Okay, please tell me how.
Yeah. Su and no. Su, long vowel U is there. No, short O is there. Su, no. And Visarga is there. How do you pronounce it? Sunuhu. Not Sunuha. Okay. Sunuhu.
Okay.
You read Chamuhu. There Chamuhu. The first line, third word. And here Sunuhu. Visarga takes the sound of the preceding vowel. Who was that? Short vowel. Uhu. Sunuhu. Right? Okay, next word.
Okay.
Next word.
Sunuhu. Nupuram.
Nupuram. Okay.
Nupuram.
Yes, that's correct. Okay, next person now. Next word will. Next combination with the vowel R. Okay. Kr. And the next person can read. Who is the next person?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Gruham.
Again?
Yeah. Gruham.
Trunam. Yeah.
Duhitru.
Good.
Khrishad.
No, that is that letter. You remember? We saw that dr when it came.
Drushad.
Yeah. So remember that that dr will be like this.
Yeah. Okay. Nrupaha. Prutivi. Bubhrut.
Yeah.
Matru. Yeah. Sakrut.
Good.
Suhrut. Hrudayam.
Yeah.
Suhrut. Hrudayam.
Your last class you asked Hrudayam, the same thing. Hrudayam has come.
Yeah.
The next person, Meeraji. And the next
Can you hear me
combination
now? Yeah.
will be the vowel A will be there. Consonant with the A. So you recognize A, right? Okay, you can read all the words.
Okay.
केशः गडेरः गणेशः जेता देवः फेनः बेकः मेदः मेघः मेघः सेवा हेमन् पेषणम्
Yes, good. Next person will have the vowel with vowel I will be there. Consonant with the vowel I. So next person, Lata Ji, are you there? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, please read all the words.
Kaikeyi.
Okay.
Kaitabah.
Good.
Kailashah.
Kailasah, not Shah.
Kailashah. Okay.
Okay.
And Tailapaha.
Tailapaha means, you know what? Cockroach.
No, sir.
Cockroach. Okay.
Daivaha. Nichaiha.
Nichaihi, not ha. Okay. Visarga sound. We saw Visarga, what sound it will take when it preceded by the particular vowel. I is there. So Nichaihi.
Nichaihi.
Okay. Then?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, I have a doubt here. So the letter is chai, and the visarga, shouldn't it be like hi? Chai, hi. Why is it taking he?
I, when you say, what it ends with, E sound. Chai. In fact, I is a combination of, that's why we read the conjunctival. Remember? It's a combination of the two sounds. A, akara, and ikara. So, chai.
Okay.
So it is like any E sound will take. It will, because it ends with the sound E. That's why. Okay. Yes. Continue.
Shailaha.
Okay.
Shailaha. Shainikaha.
Good. That's it. Okay. Finish. Time is up. Now the next will be consonant with the vowel O. The next person can read quickly. Manjula ji. Can please read.
Ashokaha.
Okay.
Kathoraha.
Good.
Kapotaha.
Yes.
Komalaha. Manoharaha. Modaha. Rogaha. Roman. Lokaha. Shokaha.
Good. Next person, Mekaji. You will find the vowel O with this. Okay, O. So we'll read that. You can read quickly. Mekalaji, you have to read now. Mekalaji, are you there?
Sorry.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm there.
Yes.
Kaumaram.
Yeah.
Gauh. Gauri. Nauka. Pauraha. Maunam.
Okay, fine.
Yauvanam.
Okay.
Sauchikaha. Aushadham.
Good. Now the next person. Next will be with the vowel, that is will be there. So Sujata ji, you get a chance now. You can read. Sujata ji can read. What is it? Yeah.
Amshaha. Yes, Guruji. Yes. Amshaha.
Yes.
Amsaha. Kamsaha. Pumsaha. Mimamsaha. Mimamsa.
Yes. Sa only. Mimamsa.
Vamshaha. संयमः
Good.
संयोगः संवादः संशयः सिंहः हंसः.
Good. And the last one also, I think, the vowel aha will be there. So you can read. Sujata ji.
Kapiha.
Kapihi, not ha. Kapihi, not ha. Visarga doesn't have the ha sound. It takes, remember, Visarga doesn't have any particular sound. It takes the vowel of the preceding vowel. Preceding vowel. It takes the sound of the preceding vowel. Kapi, e is there. Therefore, ihi. If it is u, uhu. If it is e, ihi. If it is u, uhu. If it is a, ehe. If it is I, aihi. O, oho. Au, auhu. Remember this. Okay. It's important.
Okay. Okay, Guruji.
Now read.
Kapihi.
Good.
Rutuhu.
Good.
Now.
Now again.
Now.
Nauhu. Now ending with u. Nauhu.
Who. Now who.
Okay.
Parimalaha.
Okay.
Mayuraha. Munihi. Saunikaha.
Not sau. It is sai.
Chamuhu.
It is sainikaha.
Sai. Okay. Sainikaha.
Okay.
Chamuhu.
Okay.
Dihi.
Okay.
Gaupalaha.
Not go. Gopalaha. Read properly.
Gopalaha.
It's not go.
Gopalaha.
Okay.
Nayakaha. Amaraha.
Good. Okay. So we can, I think you're the last person. So we can stop here. Sorry for taking some more time today. So we'll stop here because I have to complete all the combinations. So practice the letter, right? What I send, no? That also you can practice. So we'll continue. We'll continue reading words and sentences in the next class. So we'll stop the prayer. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevashyate. Om Shanta Shanta Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Dhanyawad.